Hi everyone, we are for Group 6. So today, I would like to explain about order fulfillment, which is a part of supply chain management. But first, what is a supply chain management? It can be defined as design and management of seamless, value-added processes across organization boundaries to meet the real needs of the end customer. Okay, now you know in what SCM is. We move to our main topic, which is order fulfillment. In general, order fulfillment process is step that involve in receiving, processing, and delivering orders to end customers. Three functions involved in this process, which is purchasing is acquire input from supplier to support production. Secondly is production is convert input into output. And thirdly, logistics is transport and store goods. Let me explain in more detail for each process, and maybe I can use MSM company as an example. Oh yeah, for those who doesn't know, MSM company is leading refined sugar producer in Malaysia. First process in order fulfillment is acquiring the input or raw material from the supplier. The company will select the best supplier to purchase the raw material for them. For MSM, they import their raw material in Brazil, South Africa, Thailand and Australia. Malaysia currently has identified as one of the key importers of raw sugar with an increasing dependence on Brazil, which is 47% involved in supplying raw sugar, the largest global exporter of the community. Next is manufacture. Manufacture will involve the manufacturing process, planning and control. In this process, the manufacturing will make a value-added process to the input to transport it into final product. For example, in MSM company, we make sure the raw sugar supply for the Brazil will undergo a few steps in refining process until it become refined sugar. The manufacturing of sugar involves from raw sugar to become refined sugar that will include many processes, undergo the crystallization and screening process in which the refined sugar crystal are then dry, cooled, sieved and stored in the storage bins. Until the packaging process for the storage bins, the sugar is transported by conveyor belts to the packaging area and packed into the various grades or transferred into the silo for the sugar delivery by bulk container. The third process in order fulfillment is a distribution system. Distribution management refers to the process of overseeing the movement of goods from supplier or manufacturer to point of sale. It is an overarching theme that refers to numerous activities and processes. Here, I will explain about MSM logistic process and warehousing. As for MSM, they have their own MSM logistics in Berhad. They own a fleet of truck, tanker and wagon which cater primarily to in-house unit. The fleet improve the feasibility, reliability and efficiency of their logistic operations. The system illustrated below is a complete line of their logistic process for rail, road and sea. MSM have two warehouse locations where in 1992, MSM Pride opened their warehouse in Sungai Buloh, commenced operation with railway connectivity from MSM Pride in Penang and extend their warehouse in Johor Bahru in 2002. MSM warehouse in Sungai Buloh have their own packaging facility which can process the order from customer according to their needs. With this facility in the warehouse, they are able to offer just-in-time delivery to their customer. Lastly is customer. Customer is an important part in the process of order fulfillment because it's a final point that the product go and profit is made. MSM have both domestic customers and international customers. First, for domestic customers, they are end user customer who purchase the sugar made by MSM through some supermarket and retail store. MSM also supply the sugar products to the industry customers such as Coca-Cola. For the global market, the top 5 countries that export their product are China, South Korea, Hong Kong, New Zealand and Bangladesh. In 2018, MSM have exported refined sugar to 13 countries and also expand their business to Singapore. MSM provide different sizes of sugar product to meet these various kinds of customer demands. That is kind of their CRM. They research the customer actual needs based on their customer data and make their product suitable to meet them. So, here is some issue that may happen in MSM Malaysia, how they provide, which is first, effective system. The ordering system might not be tally with the pick and pack department. The number of quantity of item might be light or extra for every customer order. Therefore, the company need to upgrade and make sure the system is effective to make sure the number of order tally in all departments involved. Other issue that MSM may face is the unplanned downtime of planned operations may cause operation process delay. Thus, it can be avoided by direct control via constant efforts to direct result through productivity and cost-saving initiative. In conclusion, the order fulfillment process is important in every manufacturing or sector, as it will detail out every process start from the customer buyer until the end consumer. Sometimes there are few things such as logistic part that we miss, but with order fulfillment process we can choose the most effective and efficient methods to make the production run smoothly.